And a good day, ladies and gentlemen, from Loopin for Life, back at it again today here at the Nickelodeon Universe of the American Dream Mall up in East Rutherford, New Jersey. And yeah, Shellraiser has reopened recently, so we're definitely going to get on there and check it out today. It's been about 3.5 years since I've been on this wonderful indoor Eurofighter, the steepest drop out of any coaster in the world and a very snappy launch. Recently it had some structural problems and closed for a very lengthy amount of time, which made, in my opinion, this park useless. However, though, today it's open, so we're gonna get a ride. I'm not doing everything here because I've been there and I gave you guys videos before, and it's this and Sandy's Blasting Bronco is the only two decent rides here, so I got a one-time pass for it, which is very expensive, $16.46 including tax. But we're gonna make the best out of it and go on Shellraiser, guys. As always, it's the first time to the channel. Feel free to like and subscribe down below. Welcome to the American Dream Mall. Welcome to Nickelodeon Universe. Welcome to Loopin' Through Life. Guys, as we enter and make our way, Shellraiser's got life. I only see one train running and one train in the station, but I mean, at least it's operational and you could go on and ride today. It's very exciting. Steepest drop out of any roller coaster in the world, and it does intertwine the longest spinning coaster in the world. And nobody's on Shellraiser, it looks like. It is the most intense ride here for sure. There are a few records here. Steepest drop out of any coaster, world's longest spinning coaster, and the world's tallest rotating indoor drop tower. That one's a stretch for me, but it's still a record though. We have one point of business today. Let's get right over to Shellraiser. Shell yeah. It just took a dispatch. What I love about this coaster is you go through an inversion before you're even launched. And they actually had to build a part of the ceiling higher to get a train in for the drop. And up she goes. It is a great coaster with a nice pop of airtime towards the end, and it's an amazing drop. Very snappy launch. I gotta say, it is my favorite Eurofighter out there. And I've only been on outdoor Eurofighters besides this one. That gave me a heart attack. It's just this little, oh, don't do that to me. Now open. We love to see that, guys. Heck yeah. Make our way up the stairs. She gets held up there for the drop. Straight down. Now, you can bring your loose articles on the line for Shellraiser, from what I remember at least. They have cubbies up top. Moderately themed at the Antonio's Pizza here. They're going to make you walk around this whole can. Well, just a little bit of a queue. Third train down here. Looks like it's being worked on, but two's better than none for sure. That's what we're doing, guys. I'm pumped. Been quite the amount of time since I danced with the Shellraiser. Shell yeah.
Oh. It'd be nice if it wasn't from the fires, the smog. It's shaking. We're shaking. Oh.
Guys, I just had a wonderful re-ride back here on Shellraiser after about 3.5 years of not riding the coaster. And honestly, it's about the same experience. Nothing's really changed. Very snappy launch, wonderful drop, great inversions throughout. A little shaky, but a lot of Eurofighters are. And they actually had a Zen ride, which, I mean, you come on a Tuesday afternoon, it's very easy to get yourself a Zen ride. Now what Zen ride means, it means you have the whole entire train to yourself, nobody else, just you on the one train. And the Eurofighter is only 8 seats, so it's a little bit easier than other coasters, but yeah, hell yeah, what a wonderful, definitely my favorite indoor coaster, my favorite Eurofighter of all time. Happy it's back and operational because it actually gives this park some life. I mean, if you have kids, obviously there's a lot of cool kid stuff here to do. But if you're a thrill seeker, there's only 2 rides, this and Sandy's Blast and Broncos for me, as far as coasters are concerned. The drop tower here is kind of lame, it's not really forceful, but either way, so happy Shellraiser is back operational. I was worried there for a little bit that it was going to get nixed, but it is what it is. So happy here at American Dream. Woo! Yeah, it seems they have some other rides that are down. This whip ride, which, you know, I did really enjoy the experience more in Minnesota. They really look after that park a lot better. There's a lot more indoor topiary in this. It's a lot better presented. And actually, on paper, apparently this one's bigger, but it feels a lot bigger at Mall of America. For me, at least. I don't know. Maybe it just seems like it's spread out more. They don't have a Reptar carousel there, though, which is... I'm sorry, Reptar merry-go-round, because those... What is Reptar? A dinosaur? I guess. Reptar is a dinosaur, yeah, but... Yeah, that was fantastic. I'm just going to take a stroll around the park, see if there's anything new and exciting. Oh yeah, okay, what's this? Fairly Odd Parents Airways, I remember this last time. Okay, a little new flat ride here. Nothing too intense, this Cosmo and Wanda stuff. Maybe bottom plunge. Look this way, maybe. Shredder's got quite the queue. At least a 10-15 minute wait right there. Want me to throw up? I mean, I'll go on one of these, but I'm not gonna have a good time after. Although I've been doing better with spinning as the older I get, ironically enough. That makes sense to me. Like the teacups used to be an issue, now they're no longer. I blame it on getting hit in the head with the golf club, knocking off my vertigo for a while. I wasn't in a fight, it was at a driving range and I was standing a little too close to the person swinging. Sandy's is operational too, cool. The last time that was shut as well. Alright, so at least that's staying here. That's not going anywhere. Nothing really new or exciting. We have Old Mac here doing Old Mac things. I don't think I'll ever do that. I'm not always going to come to a theme park and work out. Here's the world's tallest indoor rotating drop tower. It's a stretch. And that's going to wrap today, guys, here from Nickelodeon University American Dream. What a wonderful time it was getting back on Shellraiser, experiencing that snappy launch, the world's steepest drop out of any roller coaster in the world. So glad they saved the coaster. I would have hated to see it next, but here it is in its full glory. As always, folks, if it's your first time to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe down below. Until then, we'll catch you guys next ride.